Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bonners Ferry, local and long distance movers near me. We offer all the right options for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. If you're relocating one state over or several states away, our team is ready to make it easier. You're already having plenty to worry about with a new move, along with a new city or town to get used to. Let our team make your long distance move easier by taking the stress out of the actual moving process. With the help of an Idaho moving company, you don't have to do the hard work anymore. It doesn't matter if you're moving just a few miles, the packing and unloading will take up time and energy. With professional movers, you gain plenty of benefits. You won't have to show up at your new home or business location worn out after a full week of packing and moving. 3 Men and a Truck offers the right services for your local move. We make it easier to move even if you're just going down the road. Our team takes all the heavy lifting off your shoulders, and we save you plenty of time. If your move will take you all weekend to complete, we can get it done in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bonners Ferry moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.